Welcome to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to get boot configurations through REST API from Jira application. When we are working with the REST API and we want to get detail about boot configurations, so here we will have boot settings, and from here we will need column details or any configuration related detail. We want to extract it. Then for extractions, boot configurations, the response contains the maximum details like ID, which is the ID of the boot, name, filter, location, subquery, column configurations, estimation, and ranking. So these all detail we will extract it through REST API. For doing this, we need API and API token that is required for authorizations. Unless and until we will not set the connections, we won't be able to extract this detail. And apart of that, we also need this name, this domain name, which we will use it here. So if you don't know how to authorize and add this credentials, please watch my previous video. I will also include the URL in description tab. And if you want to learn Jira using REST API, please watch my Jira REST API playlist. And if you want to use or learn Jira with Agile, please watch my Jira playlist. Will include both the playlists together in description. Now for extractions, we need this credentials, and after that we have to get board details. For getting the board details and ID, I've already covered this video. So let me directly jump into the configuration page. Here we have to write configuration and click on send. Make sure we need to select get. This is the method which we are calling. Now you can see the configuration detail has been extracted successfully. So for ID 11, which is having name, type is Scrum, then the project type, key, and ID. After that, we can see the filter. So here the filter is applied with this filter. Column configurations, we have to do in progress and done status, and configuration type, constraint type is none. Estimations, we have just story pointer estimations. So these all configurations we can extract it. Let's do it for any other board ID. Click on send. Now we can see exactly same type of detail is also available here. If we'll add different columns, we'll see all the different columns detail here. Instead of to do, in progress, and done, we also see some other additional column detail. So this is how we can get configuration detail from Jira through REST API. Hope this will be helpful. If you think so, this will be helpful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.